BootDev is a deployment tool to implement Drupal distribution with AWS configuration all in one place. We aim to provide a complete production chain from start to finish for development workflow that will make use of a fork of the designated Drupal distribution. For the distribution details, please refer to www.bootdev.com. After stack creation, a web service infrastructure will be running in pre-tuned systems with auto-scaling in your own AWS account. In this video, we will demonstrate a complete development workflow. First step, perform a prerequisite check. Double check if you have inputted a valid AWS key and secret. If you have, you will be able to download your EC2 client SSH key. Also, check your Bitbucket credentials. BootDev will need it to fork DrCloud repository, code access permission for system deployment into your Bitbucket account. For more detailed steps, please click the following video link to find out more. Second step, enable your CloudFront and Route 53 services in AWS. CloudFront is one of the services that BootDev will deploy in our recommend package. The deployment will fail if you do not have the corresponding services in your AWS enabled. Also, if you provide us your domain name, we will bind it into your AWS Route 53, returning the name server details in the console. To enable them, please click the following video link to find out. Here comes the deployment. In a typical development workflow, there will be a testing environment, a staging environment, and a production environment, and our packages are tailor-made to suit your unique objectives. You can choose the resources that you want to occupy for your website, and we have statistics to help you to choose the plan that suits you the best. Deployment is simple. First, name your stack. Second, select the package to be deployed. Lastly, press the Start Deploy Process button. We are creating two stacks to demonstrate the workflow. Here, we will do it once again to create a recommend package. When both of the deployments are finished, you will receive email notification about the stack details. Then, go to the console and head to Dashboard. Select one of the stacks, Stack Details, and press Open in Browser. You will be able to see the Drupal sites are online. Since we use Bitbucket for code management, therefore, both stacks are cloning the same source in your own Bitbucket account. The new repo that exists in it is a fork of the DrCloud resources. You can freely modify any code to suit your own requirements. You will see the procedures that are being followed in this demonstration. We are updating the code through the test server. Here, we added a Drupal theme into the repo and commit and push. You can view in Bitbucket that a new branch named deploy has been added to the REPL. Double-check if the code has been updated and merged into the main branch. You can then pull the code from Bitbucket through BootDev's UI to your auto-scaling cluster. It's easy. On BootDev's UI, select Deployment, Deploy Code by Git, and code is updated. It is common for Drupal developers to use drush commands. We provided that too, but not on the server that provides web services directly. Here, we will perform a feature update on a test server and revert in production for your Drupal site. With different packages, the Drupal REPL are stored in different places. The information are as follows. Code location for management operations. In the test server, we will update features through the Drupal site. By feature update, the modification will be reflected in codes. Following the same steps as pulling code through console, the code will be updated at the production web server and the management server. The code in the management server connects to the same database as the web servers do. Drush should be ran here. After the code is reverted, new changes will be written from code to database. This is the complete development workflow. Thanks for watching.